Hi, in this video I'm going to show beginning to end setup of how to turn on your DVR, connect the aerial and set up the 3G dongle on it. Very straightforward stuff. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to rotate this around 90 degrees. We have a monitor set up here and we have a VGA lead which we're going to connect directly onto the back of this DVR, and we're just going to connect it directly in then, and we just have to add on the power unit, which you can see we're adding here as well. So it's going to beep like a devil, and now it's going to, I think it beeps twice, and then anything. So next what we're going to do is we're just going to, in the meantime, be assembling this aerial here. So I've put on this bracket here like this. I push the U-bolt through, and I get two nuts here. One, two. Okay. And what we're going to do here is I'm just going to add on an additional length of cable. In this case, I'm going to add on the 2 meter length. Just screw this on here. And what I'll do is I just have a mock-up pole here. So I'm just going to come along and I'm going to mount this directly onto it. So I'm just going to be out of sight for a moment and drop down this over the pole. And drop it right down to hopefully what's an easy height to video at. So that's our aerial mounted, but obviously come along. And now we can just run this aerial with its amplified signal back directly into this adapter here, where we'll run it down into a smaller cable, which will allow us to connect onto our 3G dongle. So we'll just come along here, and we'll just push it in, directly in, and now that's what we have. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to insert this into the USB port on the back here of the DVR. It actually works out better to use the one on the back, simply because in the front there the cable is sort of pushed down into the thing. So I'll see can I rotate this without knocking off the power going into the DVR, which I think I can successfully do. And we'll just insert this in here. It's just don't rotate any further than that. So you see it's connected up. So literally now we have this DVR on the network. The next step in our process would be, and we're going to cover in a later video, where we'll come along and we'll actually have it where we will download the app onto our iPhone, and what we'll do then is we'll use that to go and access this through the 3G thing, and you'll see how straightforward it is. Each and every DVR that we sell out is pre-configured for the user, so it's as simple as putting in the SIM card and off we go. So that's it anyway, a full overview of the setup steps on how to connect the DVR, how to run the output to a TV and allow us then to connect it on to an outside mast.